This is a special video on my trip to Iwate Prefecture, a place full of charm, beautiful scenery, fun spots, and delicious food, filmed during our family trip to celebrate my parents' 50th wedding anniversary. Through this video, I hope you enjoy the beauty of Iwate and catch a glimpse into the memories of one Japanese family. Let's start. We were blessed with beautiful autumn weather, the perfect day for our celebration trip. My sister and her husband took turns driving us to Hiraizumi in Iwate Prefecture. It was about an hour and 15 minutes by car. We met up with my brother and his family at lunchtime. We came to Basho, a restaurant famous for Wanko Soba, a traditional dish from Iwate Prefecture. We ordered the moridashi-style Wanko Soba set, 36 servings, which also comes with a tempura platter. Wanko means a small bowl. You eat tiny servings of soba noodles from these bowls. Usually, Wanko Soba is served by the staff, one bowl after another. But in this style, we serve the soba ourselves and eat at our own pace. It's perfect for families who want to enjoy a slower, more relaxed meal together. We could add toppings like green onions, seaweed, grated yam, or wasabi, and enjoy the soba with the flavorful dipping sauce.
何杯ぐらい食べたの？10杯？すごい。
I was filming, so I couldn't eat very fast. My sister helped me by serving the soba in the traditional way, adding more each time I finished until the bowl was covered with the lid. Each bowl actually contained more noodles than I expected, so I became full quickly. According to tradition, I couldn't finish until we closed the bowl. My father was the winner with 36, and Ko-chan came second with 27.
27。おお。こっちゃんお腹見せて。
Next, we are heading to Geibikei, a beautiful gorge where we'll take a relaxing boat ride, which we were really looking forward to. Ko-chan became a cameraman for me. Everyone looked excited, except for my father, who decided to skip the boat ride.
じゃあ休んで。
ね、竹10はね。
こうするとね、競争して食べてね。勝手に。そう、勝手にね。負けらんない。バカだね。
眠い
The 90-minute boat ride is guided by a skilled boatman using just a single pole with not any engine. Its flat, wide shape is unique to Iwate, inherited from boats once used to ferry horses across the river. We can feed the ducks and fish here.
はい。
食べてないよ。お、上手。
Geibikei is a scenic gorge stretching about 2 kilometers along the Satetsu River, a tributary of the Tohoku region's largest river, the Kitakami River. The limestone cliffs rise over 50 meters high. In October 2025, Geibikei celebrated the 100th anniversary of its designation as a National Scenic Site. This is the cave where Bishamonten, the deity of wealth and good fortune, is enshrined. It's said to bring good luck if your coin lands in the offering box.
こうちゃんそこに入ろう。
もう終わり？
さらに後ろの景色、これがよくポスターとかに使われてるところです。
綺麗。
さっき言った男岩と女岩です。これ2つ合わせてゲイビの夫婦岩。
We'll stop over at another try your luck spot.
Mama, so we're gonna try our luck throwing the stone into the hole.
There are 8 types of lucky stones, each with a different wish written on it, like good fortune, wealth, longevity, love, and so on. If your stone lands in the hole, your wish is set to come true.
重かったねえ、さ、もう一個買ってきて。
違うよ、もっと上にある。あー、惜しかった。
I made a video call to my father on the boat.
あー、そう。じゃあまた後で見せるね。
On the way back, the boatman sings Geibi Oiwake, a traditional folk song from Geibikei Gorge that praises the beauty of nature and soothes the traveler's heart. It was originally created as a heartfelt gift for visitors. I truly enjoyed the boat ride from the bottom of my heart. Tonight, we are staying at Itsukushien, a traditional hot spring located in Gembikei, Ichinoseki City. It's a historic Ryokan where Emperor Showa and Empress Kojun once stayed. The building features traditional Japanese craftsmanship and the folk art style design.
あ、できた。あ、わー、すごい。ここお姉ちゃん一人で、郁恵おばちゃん一人なの。すごい。わ、段がある。
Our room was located in Satsukite, one of the 2 wings of Itsukushien, which was renovated a few years ago. You can enjoy wide open view from the window and experience the beautiful magic hour in the calm and relaxing atmosphere.
前布団。じゃあ寝ていいよ。
They also provide welcome suites, yukata robes to wear inside the hotel, extra futons, and floor chairs with cushions, perfect for a family gathering later. Each room is equipped with a bathroom and toilet, complete with Japan's beloved multi-function toilet. And of course, guests can also enjoy the hot spring, which features a beautiful open-air hinoki bath renovated 3 years ago. Since we had some time before dinner, we went for a short walk
います？
and found a lost kitten along the way.
あ、よかった。ママ猫いた。ねえ。あっちあっち。猫ちゃんにゃん。よかった。あ、あげて。あ。よかった。バイバイ。
I was relieved to know that they were with their mother. For dinner, we could choose from several courses, and we selected the sukiyaki course, featuring Maesawa beef, a famous brand of premium black wagyu from Iwate Prefecture.
おめでとう。はーい、乾杯。
We cook sukiyaki ourselves with a soy sauce-based sweet and savory broth. It's eaten with a raw egg. The egg helps cool the ingredients slightly, giving the dish a smoother texture and a richer flavor. Unfortunately, my first reaction wasn't captured on video, but the Maesawa beef was so tender and very delicious. We also had a hot pot filled with fresh seafood from the Sanriku coast of Tohoku. The whole meal was so generous that I couldn't finish it all, but it was absolutely delicious. It's time to celebrate my parents' kinkonshiki, their golden wedding anniversary, celebrating 50 years of marriage.
やべえ。
どこにつけたの？ああ。はい。金婚式おめでとうございます。ありがとうございます。
みんなありがとう。
はい。
みんなね休みまで取ってくれてね。
そうだね。
せーの。
じゃあマークつけて。
じゃあ、もう少し、長着したくなったな。ありがとう。
はい、ありがとう。はい。ありがとう、かりんちゃん。
ありがとう。
ありがとう。すごーい。待って、見せて。
それケロ。
そしてこれどうするの？
名前書いてる？
山竹。
あ、山竹。
もうすでに。
I show you some pictures of my parents' weddings and my childhood pictures in the end. On our second day, we are visiting another fun spot. This is Gembikei. It's one of the two great gorges of Iwate, along with Geibikei, where we took the boat ride yesterday. Unlike the calm atmosphere of Geibikei, Gembikei features powerful waterfalls and scenic walking trails, and it's also famous for its flying Dango. To try it, you tap a wooden board on your side of the river and place your payment in a basket. Then, the basket flies back from the opposite side with the tea, dango, and your change inside. And the tea arrives without spilling a single drop. Each set costs 500 yen and includes 3 skewers of dango in different flavors: sweet soy glaze, black sesame, and sweet red bean.
おいしい。おー、すごい。
After that, we went to the safari. After the safari, we stopped for lunch on the way home at Umai Sushi Kan. Umai means delicious. It was the end of lunchtime, so we were almost the only customers. Umai Sushi Kan is a sushi chain that originated in my hometown Sendai. Here, you can enjoy sushi made with fresh seafood from the Sandiku coast, as well as gyutan sushi, Sendai's famous beef tongue dish. There are 11 branches in Miyagi, so if you visit the area, please try sushi at Umai Sushi Kan. The fun time flew by so quickly, and it's time to say goodbye.
また今年またね。
はい、またね。
As we drove through the quiet countryside, I couldn't help but feel how precious this family trip has been. and I found myself thinking about how my parents first met. My parents met by chance on the street. My father noticed my mother walking with her friends and invited them for coffee. Some might even call it a pickup, but that single moment led to everything we have today. Over the past 50 years, they must have gone through many ups and downs, but they always raised the three of us with love and supported us no matter what. Now that our family has grown, I feel truly blessed. The beautiful places we visited in Iwate made this family trip even more special. I'm truly grateful for this journey, for my whole family, and especially for my parents. お父さん、お母さん、どうもありがとう。And to all my viewers, thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you also get a chance to visit Iwate someday and create your own unforgettable memories.